Too much humidity? Meet the upgraded dual-core dehumidifier. Powerful, quiet, and stylish. Everything you need is here. Large 2.5 liters tank, drain hose for continuous use, cotton pad for fresh scents, and simple instructions. You can choose between powerful day mode or whisper quiet sleep mode under 30 dB. Set it to run for 8, 16, or 24 hours for worry-free comfort. In sleep mode, lights turn off, the fan slows, and you enjoy fresh, dry air without disturbance. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, basements, or even RVs. Anywhere you need humidity control. The large 2.5-liter tank shuts off automatically when full or connect the hose for continuous drainage. 7 calming LED colors and a built-in scent pad keep your space fresh and inviting. Setup takes seconds. Just plug it in, pick your mode, and relax. For a healthier, drier, more comfortable home, this is the dehumidifier you have been looking for.